My name is Dr. Kieren Bong. I'm a cosmetic doctor at Essence Medical Cosmetic Clinic. A patient of mine came in with a solution this afternoon. She has bought it off the internet. I believe it's eBay. This is a TCA acid solution at 25%. I would just like to highlight the risks of purchasing any medical devices or medications over the internet. First of all, it is by a company that is not well recognized and not well established. But even more importantly, there is no label stipulating the details of this manufacturer. Also, for any medications, it's important to have expiry date, and there is none on this bottle, so we don't know whether this TCA solution has been stored over a lengthy period of time. Another thing to highlight is the lack of information about all the active ingredient. Another important thing to consider is the fact that this is TCA solution at 25%. This is quite potent. At the cosmetic clinic, we rarely use TCA 25% on its own. We normally dilute the solution with a buffer solution. Acidic solutions such as TCA, when it exists at such a strength, can be very difficult to control. The molecules are very active, and therefore the depth of penetration upon application on the skin can be difficult to control as well. So it's important that we use a buffer solution to stabilize the molecule and to dilute the acid from 25% down to perhaps maybe about 15 to 20%. Another thing I would just like to talk about is, if you look at the instruction manual, there is nothing about how to use this solution correctly and how to minimize risks of complications. But even more importantly, I would just like to highlight the fact that they highlighted the fact that buyer assumes full responsibility. So this should ring alarm bells that if in the unlikely event that if you suffer from any complications, you are to be held accountable. But another thing to point out is, on this instruction manual, there is absolutely no contact details of the manufacturer. There is no name, address, email address, or any contact details such as telephone number. So if you have any concerns or if you have any queries, you will not know where to turn to. So this is a quick video summary of the risks associated with buying a medical solution over the internet. There is no label, there is no expiry date, we don't know what the active ingredients are, and this is a TCA solution at a very high potency, and the manual that comes with it has absolutely no contact details and no proper instructions on how to use this solution correctly.